up, beautiful people? We are back at it again with turning this face into a scary movie character. If you have not seen my last two makeup videos, go check them out. They will be linked down below. I did Pennywise and Chucky. For today's video, we are going to turn this face into Jigsaw. So let's get started. Even though my face is already extremely white, we are going to start off with some white Halloween face paint. Well, that's it for today's video. If this looks like Jigsaw to you, smash that like button. If you're not already, go and subscribe. We do everything on this channel from vlogs to food videos to crazy makeup videos, dyeing my hair, and any other wacky ideas that we could come up with. We will see you guys tomorrow for our next video. And hey,
stay wacky, fam.
Stay wacky, fam. Does face paint don't scare you?
No.
I did Pennywise and it scared her. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out.